Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Knott. We're going to be doing question 23 of the top 50 most common child-based disability hearing questions. 23. Does the child have an in-school or at-home tutor? So what you got to focus on with this is essentially, is there a tutor? What classes is the tutor for? Is it a general tutor? Is the person, doing all of the classes with the child? But usually it'll just be like one or two. If it's a history, English, or a science, math thing. Is the tutor coming home? How much time per day, per week is the tutor spending with the child? What reports is the tutor creating? Usually they don't create reports. You want to ask them for a statement, a written statement, a letter. It's important. And then basically develop this into testimony that you can give over to the judge when the judge asks you about, well, how's the child having difficulty in school? My name is Attorney Walter Knott. I'll catch you a little bit later. Have an absolutely wonderful day. Remember, I donate 2 hours every Thursday live on YouTube to help the general population, Eastern Standard Time, 8 to 10 p.m. Thursday live on YouTube. And please remember to like, subscribe, and leave 5-star reviews. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.